Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Hola a todas mujeres de España también. If you are first time on my channel, my name is Lana, I am from Russia and here I'm sharing with people some scrap tutorials. And today I'm gonna show you my new album for baby. Actually, it's my favorite kind of albums, I mean for the babies. Because if you know, maybe not, I have 4 beautiful doors and most of my project for them. So today I'm going to show you this album and tutorial you will find on my channel just a couple videos ago, I think, but I leave a link below. Okay, tutorial in Russian language, of course, but I'm sure you will understand what to do. And now let me show you what inside. So here I have some frames, some flaps, okay, and I have many spaces for pictures, and you can put any size of pictures in here because we have empty space, right? And generally I use a flat decoration because a flat binder, you can see, so you can see that. And let me show you, I have empty spaces in one side and I have some frames in another side, so it's really easy to do. It's fast. And so next one, here we have places for the pictures, little pocket, here the frames and empty space, right? And little bit pictures in here you can put. So, and I hope you will like it, and link for this full free tutorial below. And in someone doesn't know, I have full course of baby album from start to finish. It's really it's classic album in soft cover, and it's very adorable work and everybody love it. And it was in Russian language for the long time, but now I translated. And I translated in English, not in Spanish, sorry. And so if you really have a big desire to learn how to make my kind of albums, welcome to my class. And now you